By 1st January, videos of prophecies be brought from various prophets and pastors. But this time around, the Yanshina will be. But then Nigel Gaisie or you'll be a time my prophecy 31st night. But this time around, no. One kind of prophecy near Ghana prophecy, also your omofia. Do Bianca then, where Bema shall come here and share. People have been talking about Nigel Gaisie, and then recently a video was trending on social media. And when Nigel Gaisie had that one shot top, by a bare-chested, BBA so BBA so, and a small girl be done in China than the queen na. Either lovishing methods be na dibilo kodo, west saying be na de lokodo, and a Ghana for there a honey. Nigel Gaisie there be there your dear some naje na la pay and a soften alcohol for small girl and a soften akiyedi and a soften akiyedi no one send baby Nazisia Nigel Gaisie about abeka de hey ceasefire lady na no or a minis. Into this is what Nigel Gaisie is saying. Now the prophet, the leader of Prophetic Hill Chapel, Prophet Nigel Gaisie, has literally been forced to share a full family portrait online in his quest to tell the world that the young lady he was seen in bed with while shirtless is indeed a niece of his. Now the man of God was captured in many stories yesterday after a video of himself and a young lady chilling in bed that went viral. Just when the stories and the video was getting a lot of reactions online, Prophet Nigel Gaisie came out to issue a statement and told the world that the lady many described as a slave queen because of her activities on social media's TikTok is just the daughter of his sister. Well, it appears that many still did not believe him, so he was forced to go home and take a photo with the supposed mother of the girl. Two other gentlemen he described as his brother and the famous Sandra Mante plus another young lady who is supposedly the younger sister of the lady Prophet Nigel Gaisie was seen with. Now sharing the photo on one of his Facebook pages, he added the caption, Yehovah, it's a family affair, one to the glory of God. From left is Sister Lydia, Sandra's mom and sister of the Prophet Nigel Gaisie. Standing right behind the Prophet is the famous Sandra and Kobia Mante, Prophet's niece. Standing next to her is Christabel and Kobia Mante, Sandra's younger sister and niece of Prophet Nigel Gaisie. Next to him, or next to them is Mr. Lawrence Affair and Mr. Kofi Ba, who are brothers of the Prophet. Grace makes sense into some prophet, you know, or the two or and for you know who's going to do family portraits in order don't know. And for you and a bro no one can share also do a family affair or your niece never for self. Into when I want to social media, muda mo to city, munya to city be a to the data na mo person mo kaka. Some who children paying for. I don't know some kind of massive channel. Into one na ma ka cha won. Into say who photo no another video bia o baby Nigel Gaisie odam pada young girl be done in China. Also on your bonnet. On your side chick. On your girlfriend. On your mistress. Or you know now of us in Nippon into summer or now this is Showbiz Buzz right here on IDSJ TV with me, Sika Woman. Know that you can get interactive with us via social media platforms at IDSJ TV on Instagram, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to log on to idsjonline.com for your credible and authentic news.